Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 14th, 2021. This is what we're about to get into on this video. This is going to be our SOFI stock prediction. There's an analyst actually out there right now that is seeing a 50% gain in this market for SOFI. Now, we want to know, okay, if that's possible, when can we see it happen? At what price will the market in SOFI be at 50%? Don't worry about it. I got you. We're going to talk about that today on this video. So welcome to the channel. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure you guys tap in with me. Hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Also tap that bell notification as well, because I want to make sure that you and I are both updated as more and more information gets plastered on this price chart. Because the more information we receive, the better we can understand where market is going to go without using technical indicators, without even talking about fundamental analysis. None of that is needed, just for us to know where price is going to go. So tap in with me. So before I get started in that 50% price target for SOFI, take a look at my last price prediction. Yeah, we did a price prediction in the market in SOFI right there. September the 9th, 2021, we talked about the market price in SOFI. We told you all then, be prepared for the price in SOFI to go up. And look at it. It did. It went a lot higher than even our ultimate TP price, which occurred right here on September 24th. So on September the 9th to September the 24th, 14% was had. Now, if we were to get out right now in the market, it's even better right here. 22, almost 23% profitability. Very good gains. So now that time is over. We need to be forward thinkers. We need to say, okay, we got that out the market. We appreciate us seeing and being in position so that we can win out the market. This is how you're able to dominate the space. All right, so check this out. Let's see where 50% is on this price chart for SOFI. Okay, let's see real quick. 50% would bring the price in SOFI, okay, all the way up here towards the all-time highs. Wow, look at that. So there's an analyst out there right now that is predicting that SOFI is going to try to come back to the all-time highs back here in February of this year. We haven't seen the price of SOFI hit $28 since February of this year. Now this analyst apparently is looking for the market to go back up there. Now, again, it's not going to be a rocket ship. We're not going to shoot straight up in price. It's going to be one of those, duration type moves to where the market goes up in SOFI. We come back down, trade for a little bit, find support, go back up again. It's going to be one of those type moves, right? But that's 50% right there. Not bad, right? About $9.47 away from where the last trade was on yesterday. All right, so we got all-time highs that this analyst is expecting the market in SOFI to go towards. Now, do you all think that this price in SOFI is still trading within this trend, right? These two lines that's on my chart. Do you still think that the market in SOFI is going to continue to follow that? Or do you think we're going to actually start an upward trend into the market? You know what? Let's follow the market, right? I don't think that this price is going to hold within those two lines. I don't. So rather than us keeping things on our chart that is not really valid, that is not working for us, get rid of it. So I'm going to take this line right here, okay? And I want us to start to follow the trend into the market in SOFI. Now, this is one trend. This is the second trend, okay? Because the market in SOFI actually broke out from this long-term trend that started all the way back in August. Right? So I'm not going to follow this trend yet because the market is not applicable to that move yet. This is the current trend into the market in SOFI. So with this being seen, as long as the price in SOFI continues to hold this ascending line, meaning the price continues to trade above it, we expect the market to go up in SOFI. Okay. Now, if the market in SOFI, right, is going to continue to follow this trend, take a look at how long the market will take before we actually see the price hit all-time highs, right? That's only if we hug this ascending line, right? So the market in SOFI will hit all-time highs March the 8th, 2022. That's only if we see the market hug that ascending line. That's the latest. Now we could definitely see it hit a lot earlier than March 8th, 2022. We definitely can see that because the market can actually trade like this, right? We can actually see it try to go up a lot harder and give us a more steeper slope rather than hugging that ascending line that is drawn on our chart. We can still see that too. But that's the latest around March of 2022. That's if we only continue to hold this trend, right? So now we're going to follow the market on this trend though. Okay. So as long as the price of SOFI continues to trade above that ascending line, I'm expecting the market to go up. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. So now the issue is, okay, where would be the next area of restriction or the next point that we can see the selling start? And it's right there around $20, right? That would be the next bout of selling that's going to hit the market in SOFI. So we have to be prepared, right? If you're a short-term trader, you got to be prepared for the market to try to dip there, to try to come back down in price. If you're a long-term holder, then that move won't affect you, right? You're looking for the market to be exceedingly more valuable in the next 15 years, however long you're going to hold the market, that duration. So a move that small would not affect your overall view in SOFI. So let me do this real quick, because I'm still looking for the price in SOFI to go up. Okay. Now I'm seeing the market support originally coming in around $18. But the biggest area I want to see it right there around 17. Okay. Right there around $17. Now the first area for us to try to eat off the market is going to be around 20, which gives us around 5.87%. Okay. That's the first spot. Let's take a look at the market and so far on a 3-day time frame. And you guys can see that we're pretty much in a very good upward trend. Upward momentum is there. First spot is 20. Second spot is up there around 21. Okay. This is where I'm looking for the price to go in SOFI over the next couple of weeks. I would say 3 weeks, maybe in the first 2 weeks in November. This is where I'm looking for the market to go. Now take a look at this though. The market is going to play on this earnings right here that is anticipated to occur on November the 10th, 2021. So we got to be prepared for the market to react either before or after that earnings release. This is where the market actually makes the majority of their money because they play on this news. It's not the news that is making the price move. No, it is the market playing on the news to make you think that the news is actually moving the price, and it's not. Because if that was the case, the market wouldn't be moving until we hit these earning releases. But somehow the market moves every day, right? So this is it. Got two TP prices, $20, and the next area is going to be 21. Let me see what it look like on a longer term time frame. So far, yeah, I still see the price hitting 2021 right now. Okay. So this is it. This is my updated price prediction into the market in SOFI, right? This is what I'm looking forward to in terms of price movement and brings it closer. Continue to follow this trend right here. Clean up this chart because I don't like dirty charts. Okay, so now this is what I'm looking forward to. All right, this is my expectation as to where I think the price is going to go. Now you got your own mind, you got your own thoughts. Hit me up, leave me a comment right now and tell me where do you think the price in SOFI is going to be in the next 3 weeks. Looking forward to reading your comments. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.